Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add Amazon gift card to your bank account. First you need to do is to open Amazon website and log in into your account. Then you simply need to go on to your account. Once you are here, you simply need to click on gift cards and here you can find your gift card balance and once you have your balance, you simply need to have an option that is transfer to your bank account. You simply need to click on that and you can easily transfer your balance from your gift card into your bank account from here. Currently I have zero balance, so that's why that option is not visible to me. So this is a process by which you can add Amazon gift card to your bank account. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.